Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to disable Grammarly in Microsoft Word. If you want to disable Grammarly in Word, you can do so by following these steps. You need to uninstall the Grammarly application on your device. Firstly, open up Control Panel. Now, click on Uninstall a Program button. If your interface is not like this, click on View by option and the drop-down menu and select a category. After that, locate Grammarly for Windows and click on Uninstall button, which will remove the application from your device. By following these steps, you can easily disable Grammarly from Microsoft Word depending on your needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.